The amazing health benefits of eating apples. Apples are one of the most widely consumed fruits in the world, and for good reason. They are packed with essential nutrients and offer an impressive array of health benefits. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Apples contain a high concentration of antioxidants, particularly in the skin. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which can contribute to chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. 2. Promote heart health. The fiber, polyphenol, and vitamin C in apples have all been shown to support cardiovascular health. Studies have found that eating apples is associated with a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. 3. Support gut health. Apples are a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy gut. The pectin in apples acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. The polyphenol in apples have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Apples have a low glycemic index, meaning they don't cause a sharp spike in blood sugar levels. 5. Promote weight loss. The fiber and water content in apples can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially aiding in weight management. Eating apples has been linked to a lower body weight and a reduced risk of obesity. Incorporating apples into your diet is a simple and delicious way to improve your overall health. From heart health to weight management, apples offer a wide range of benefits. So, the next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for an apple and enjoy all the amazing ways it can support your well-being. Subscribe for more.